Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create the Arabian Nights video trend on TikTok. I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can edit it on CapCut. So select your video, and it is like a makeup transition video. So when the transition happens, you're just going to select the video. Just going to zoom in a little bit. Around here, split it, select the first video, just go to effects, video effects, basic, and find mosaic. So I'm just gonna do that and press adjust and make the blur like the smallest setting, and then make sure the effect is only on like the beginning of the clip. And then you can just add the audio right here. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!